Yeah, Jamaica people, see it ya, see the part 2 ya. First and foremost, me have to big up Met. You see what me I say? Because she hear my story and hear it and say, yo, people need to hear this. So me have to big her up firstly. You see what me I say? Secondly, me I go big up to the people them who hear my story. Them don't know what me look like, but them never judge me. You see what me I say? And thirdly, me have to go big up to the one them too, we hear the story and still not know who me be, but them judge me. You see what me I say? I just saw the life set up. You see it? But big up on yourself same way. You see what me I say? Firstly, me I go start with Jamaica. You know what me I say? Because our life this. We're going to talk with Jamaica. We're going to talk about Jamaica first. You see what me I say? Me I come from days, whisper yo, dumpling and butter days. You see what me I say? Where you only have flour in your yard. You only have flour in your yard. Flour alone, there no meat, no there to go with it. So guess what? You add like a salt butter. You see what me I say to it? And make it not nicer that. Not nicer than that. You hear me I tell you? And your sugar and water days me I come from. You see what me I say? Where you don't even have a lime tree in your backyard. Where you can say, yo, make you go and pick a lime and squeeze in your juice to give it like a flavor. You know what I mean? Never have that. You see what me I say? Sometimes pitting enough is enough. First of all, I'm go back to this. I have a one shirt and a one pants, so I feel like say right now down at Jamaica them probably have a picture down there for me. You hear me I tell you, because my mother and my father never have it. And I know say for them mother and for them father never have it neither. You see what me I say? First of all, my mother don't even know her father. You see what me I say? But I just go for show you. Them probably take my picture another one pants because everywhere I wear it go. All at church I wear it go. You hear me I tell you? But I just go for show you. There was days gone by when me could go down on my yard because gunshot a beat. You see what I say? I could go home from school. You see what I say? Because when people are kill them no response. You could have be pitting anybody, them a shoot you. Once them see you outside, them a shoot you. Me have to stand up out of school gate and wait all long until you get a call. And cell phone them time, they never really tough like it at you now. You have to wait until somebody say, alright, it's alright to go down there because I word them out. You hear me I tell you? My dear Jamaica whisper yo. You know, I get to living still a Gideon. You know what I say? I get to living and a Gideon. You know what I say? Yo, me I show you a thing. Me I go prepare a thing. That's what I say. You have to understand, say, you're there Jamaica. You see what I say? And you're there Jamaica. Water Commission come cut off your water. JPS or JPL, I don't know them name. Come cut off your light. You see what I say? Some talented people come from the ghetto. You know what I mean? Some talented people. Because guess what? Yo, you see 15 minutes after the water commission man dig up the water, dig up the ground and cut off your water. Trust and believe, say. Yes, what I say. 15 minutes later, a random man or a man from around the area come back and dig up the ground there and put on back the water there. Because what we can't do without the water, we can't do without the water. What we can do without the light, we can't do without the water. Because at least you can burn 2 candles. And at least you can say you're rare, you can put like a kerosene oil in your lamp and burn it. You see what I say? But you can't do without the water. Talented people, see there, electrician and plumber, how much people you know can really climb a light post and go attach that back. Because them don't know. You see what I say? A talented people come from the ghetto. You see all me's a smart girl. After all of the life where me live, trust and believe, say. You see what I say? Right now, at 2012, I graduate. You see what I say? My class name 12-12-804. Go and type it in, go and look it up. And if you look it up and look up for my name, Tanya Ray, you see what I say? Look for the valedictorian, the person who get the highest grade in a school. That's me. You see what I mean? I'm me that, Tanya that. You see what I say? And a dunce girl this. You hear me I tell you? Remember, me tell you that. And so I say, I tell you, man, me I gotta jump back to foreign because I saw me have to get space. And so I say, you have to understand, you know. And so I say, if right now, if a visa link, a Disney World visa link go Jamaica right now, a whole heap of people send them pitney on it. Yes, so I say, which is what my mom did because in a fear of mine, she look and I say, yo, I want to land the opportunity. Just like the rest away, everybody watch TV. So I say, because TV only give you the good things. TV only show you the good things. Yes, so I say, TV only show you the good things. So watch TV, our brain turn in a mush. Watch TV, our brain turn in a mush. Even our parents, them so them feel like them not know. It's like you're blind. It's like you're going in a blind place, you know, because you don't know where you're getting, and you don't know where your foot at land on a soil where you don't know nothing about the place. Yes, so I say, you don't know nothing about there. Yes, so I say, and my mother send me pan all a link like that, they know. You see what I mean? Me no mother tar feet, because guess what? I do my thing. And after all the man and things where them people are sitting say, I do my thing, my mother alright, because I move her out of the ghetto and make she can have a place to live. I move her out of the Gideon. Yes, so I say, me take care of her, and me parent, me I take care of my father, I take care of my brother. Yes, so I say, I take care of all my brother Pitney. Yes, so I say, that me a lickless one, and me a the only girl. You hear me I tell you? Yes, so I say, sometimes you think, and yo, I don't know about me, I don't know about nobody else, you know. But me was never one of them people that where they really believe say things couldn't happen to me. No, I wasn't like that. I always was a different Pitney. Yes, so I say, I never think like that. So that's why when things reach me, I can't overcome it. Yes, so I say, I can't overcome it. I can. And I did. Yes, so I say, and still more that they left for come. Yes, so I say, still more that they left for come, man. Yes, so I say, trust and believe, say. You know what I say? When you look on all some Pitney, if you read, because I read enough, you know. You see what I say? When you look on all some Pitney, and them come up on all the human trafficking, some them people, you think some of them people, they choose prostitution, or choose them things, they no, them get forced into it. You see what I say? People will get forced into it and get traumatized. You see what I say? You have people where they kill themselves for less than what me I go through, but me not kill myself. Tanya ain't doing that. It's so I see people cut themselves with all the razor just for ease the pain of the problems and things where them go through in them life because people traumatized. Yes, so I say when me there at Jamaica, I jump back to Jamaica now. When me there at Jamaica as a little toddler, you hear me I tell you, man, I feel you up and I put them hand in your panty and a finger you at night time. You hear me I tell you? At night time when them think you asleep. We don't do nothing, we don't know Pitney and put on a Pitney pan ground and them thing that call Pitney we peep with them eye open. You see what I say? Remember I tell you, I never ever go through that, but I know say them thing they are going. I know say I go through do, I wake up to man. I have them hand in my panty. You hear me I tell you, in my panty I feel me up. Tell me what a little child like me must go do now. Go and tell my mother what am I supposed to do. My mother too busy at work. You saw me I say, me they have to grow up very fast. Maybe that's why she said me when me so young, cause she said me never an idiot. She say no, she say I never no fool she raised. You see what me I say? What a little child like me though did supposed to do? No. You see what me I say? Me I overcome things like I say people are kill themselves for less than what me I go through. You hear me I tell you for less than that another half of it. You see what me I say? You have to understand, you know. Some people come here and them come here with opportunity. See, in other country, is not what you know, is who you know. Because right you know, me know a whole heap of people who go to school. Go spend how much is 75, go get loan and them thing from the government, 75,000. You hear me I tell you? And pay for school. You hear me I tell you? Some of them barely graduate. You hear me I tell you about them graduate, congrats to them. But guess what? Them sit down at them yard. That's why I say them couldn't do nothing when me come here. Yes, me was a run-off victim. That's why I can talk to now and I tell you no. When me come here, that's why I say, when me come here when me younger or whatever. That's why I say, that's why I say take opportunity and run with it. I see all some family member. That's why I say, Them come and when me come here, I say, damn, I wish me could have go to college. You know what I say? I'm see people that go to college and want to tell us to this day now all 10 years pass and them people are still don't graduate yet. You see what I say? And it take me 1 year for complete what them take. 10 years for complete. You hear me? I tell them, I'm not big up myself. But what me I try to show you is me I come from a worse place than them because things in them hand. When you hear me I talk about 5 loaves and 5 fishes, it's just an analogy me I use. You see what me I say? That not necessarily means I'm there at a real cookout and anything. I'm just showing you that sometimes people, things just drop in at them hand. And them not know it even in a them hand. You see what I say? As people, and a phrases used to say, Jamaica, you're born with gold spoon in your mouth or silver spoon. I don't know what the hell it is. You see what I say? But me just go for sure you say, yo, I just saw the life set up. Yeah, me I say, opportunity there for some people and not. Sometimes people come here and your people, them or your family, them might know a certain person or whatever. So you get a big link. You see what I say, like a small link, any link. May I show you something? You see what I say? When me there, is a lucky thing, so I could have did do like a ear. I could have did do like a ear and them thing there. You see what I say? I could have did sew in like a weave and ray and whatever. You know what I say? And me I tell you, say, I 2 shop, my bunks back. Matter of fact, 3 shop. Because I dey also work at one braid shop. I 3 shop me bunks back and forth too. You know why me have bunks back and forth? You know the reason for that? Is because yo, whoever know about foreign, when you're there foreign, everything is you have to have something on paper. You hear me tell you? And yo, when license people come in, inspection people come in, guess what? Everybody who in there have them license piece up on them mirror. What they are them station. I never had one of those. Yo, may I show you this car? So when me go in for them job there, I tell the people them straight up. You know me I say, cause I want how much a clock a strike when them thing they come in. I don't want to go to jail. You see what me I say? Yo, my man is lucky thing me they have all a cool manager catch him real to him real to me. You see what me I say? I tell him I don't have a social, I don't have nothing for her. But see my portfolio, me used to do boy era road and girl era road. You see what me I say? I take picture and put it now on portfolio. I build a portfolio like a artwork. Yeah, me I tell you. And at that me show him and him say, why you did all of this? I say, yeah, I made it. You see what me I say? And the people them they willing enough to make them take my picture and the man say, yo, no, I have to have your ear. I'm gonna tell him straight up, so I don't have nothing. And so I say, you see when inspection come, the man look at me and say, Tanya, here why you have to go lay low. You have to go lay low. Trust me laying low for all months because when them come, them all come back, you know. Because sometimes people all call them, you know. That's what I say and them come in. So you have to lay low for all some months. What you think me must do in a some months now? Eh? Tell me what you think me I gotta do in a some months. No must go get a man. Eh? No must go get a man because if me have to do that, I can't go get a work. I can't go get a work and I never have the opportunity like some people have. I never come here with things and did to me. No, it wasn't like that at all. You see what I say? It wasn't like that. Trust and believe. My day a good while now. I can speak it, spoke it too. You know what I mean? I could switch it up. I could make it seem like I'm all in the professional world. But I know this, so I get them a born, I get them a grow. You know me, I say some people come here and them switch. Some people come here and try to portray a Yankee lifestyle. You see what I say? Some people come and try to portray a Yankee lifestyle and get Americanized. You see me, my mother always tell me, say, Tanya, you say if you forget where you come from, you're not going to know where you go. You see what I say? Them sometimes them say you can take the, I don't know if for the cow or the calf or whatever out of the ghetto, but you can't take the ghetto out of them. But me tell you, man, you can't motivate, you can't switch it up. Like I say, I could switch it up and I could do that too. But who not get are the real Tanya this. Are the real me. Nobody else. Who not get a different a me. A Tanya this. Me a talk my story. You see what I say? Me done this saying I'm my first something. So me not discourage nobody. But me I say if me could have did hear something like this when I was a youth. And I come, you know me I say, I would take the advice, but guess what me da do? Me da listen. Me da listen, cause you know me da say when me listen to that, me da say, yo, and when me touch foot pan a sile, a different something. Me nah make that happen to me. You see what I mean? That's what this is all about. You see what I'm saying? And what it is all about. I mean, me go through my thing, yes, and whatever. But right now, I can't say a whole heap of little things me overcome, you know. That's why I can come and talk about it. Yes, why I say I can come and talk about it. I'm prepare a thing. And no heap of people don't know that Tanya get raped by all our family members. I just who they did know. Yes, why I say. Cause people shame for talk. Yes, why I say, me not shame because I get over them things and I'll forgive. Yes, why I say, because you see when the man look for me, the man said the part of Jamaica where me come from, I be a skettle come from there. A peer skettle him say come from there. Yes, why I say, so guess what? That give him the okay. That did give him the okay. If you say, okay, yeah, he's a skettle. So that means I could rape you, skettle. You know what I mean? But I can't talk about them things, you know, because I'm free up, you know what I mean? I'm free up. Them something now bother me, them things that, you know, I say I overcome them something there. And just because I overcome it and whatever, and I don't bash my man, you see what I mean? I overcome it. You see what I say? And I live life. You see what I say? Yo, me have to run to from some place. Like I say, me have to big up to people who pick me up off a road. You see what I say? You see when me I go to school, me never even did have nothing. When me all the way to Vancouver, Canada, me go to school here, me I tell you. And me I tell you, so me I go to school, me ride on the train, because I could buy a plane ticket. Me ride on the train, me I tell you. For 3 days without food. You hear me I tell you? 3 days without food. Me never go to school with nothing. And a boarding school, which why you have to go in and do it like a real college dormitory type of thing. Me no go down there with nothing, because me never have no money, me no go with nothing. You see what me I say? 3 days on a train, me ride without food. You see what me I say? 3 days. You see what me I say? Because people turn them back on you, but guess what? Guess what happened now? Me eat 1 day already. Me not eat 1 day already and my belly a grumble. Go for sure you say God go with me. Because for the whole 3 days my belly no grumble not one bit. Not one bit. And guess what? You say when I go to school, go for sure you say God no stop go with me. Go for sure you say one bit. And I go to school, you have to wear a certain uniform shirt because I dress up thing. You hear me I tell you, me have an airline travel specialist degree. You see what I say? And I dress up thing you have to dress up in a, and I never go there with a shirt. It so happen that when I go there, karate, you go there and things and you get help. You see what I say? You get help. You hear me I tell you, and people like them me not forget. You see what I say? So if I'm going to prepare another thing again. You see what I say? You see why I go and look at it? You see why my family them put me a road? You see what I say? It's because, yo, the little ear thing what me used to do. I say Mother's Day in the past, I'm going to give my auntie them something. Our birthday in the past, and when I want that daughter now work, I still buy card and put it on it. And say, yo, it a come from the two away. You hear me I tell you, it a come from the two away. And I'm going to show you something. Me used to save my money because them time I could get bank account. I never know about them things. That basically is what me I try to show you. And true, it was a runoff victim. I never even do say you could use your passport and get all account. I never know them things there. And me alone there. I don't know them things there. So I say I learn. Everything is a learning process. So I say, but when I go to Ratted and I look and I say, damn, I say hold on there. I say hold on there and I look and I say wait there. You can't get. Me used to make them, my people them keep my money. Me used to make them keep my money, you know. That's what I say, and at the same time, I give them a piece of the money to car. You know what I say, light off a pay and whatever, and them know you work, so of course they might expect something. You see what I mean? And me I tell you, say, when me ready for leave. Yeah, me I tell you when me ready for leave, when a man, like I say, a man again. A man ready for pick me up and say, you're right, and you come with me. That's what I say. And when me ready for leave now, you hear me I tell you? When me ready for ask for my money, when me ask them for put on for me, them could produce the money. And the money where them could produce, I eat. I eat, you hear me tell you, say, I eat. Make them put me a road. You see what I say? Me's a helpful person, a kind-hearted person. You see what I say? Enough people don't know nothing about me. You see what I say? Enough people. And like I say, these are just for part of the story. Like I said, these show things are going to come every day. Every day things are going to come. You see what I say? Peace, I eat on every day. But like I say, peace are going to come out. A whole heap of things there. A whole heap of story for tell. You see what I say? A whole heap of things for talk about. You see what I say? And a whole heap of people I know can relate. You feel me? Whole heap of people I know can relate. You see what I say? But I love what say. You hear me I tell you, I love how old people not forget that. I say the amount of pedophile things what go on in Jamaica there. Yes what I say. A whole heap of little girl get feel up like me, but true nobody not talk. You know what I say? But peace out till the next video again. Yeah.